And I think the most important part that I took away today was that I need to update my LinkedIn profile. So little things like headlines, your A-level qualifications, recommendations, just really polishing your LinkedIn profile will really help a lot to get you noticed by recruiters. Yeah. I highly recommend workshops like this to other international students because I think you'll learn a lot. Coming into UK, there's a lot of difference in what recruiters might look for you. So I think like the expertise given here would really help other international students as well. So the main thing I take away from study is the action plan because like previously when I applied to job it was actually kind of a mess. Sometimes I forgot like what kind of job I applied to. I just like lost track, and pretty much like after maybe 5-6 months I got an email was like maybe unsuccessful or something, but I completely forgot about that. But follow this action plan, like I can actually trace every single application of mine. So if I didn't hear back in maybe like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I can just email the recruiter, which is quite helpful for me.
I would recommend this workshop to international students because I find that it's very important to prioritize when you are job searching in regards to what kind of roles you would fit in, what kind of pitch and brand you would present yourself with, and most importantly to get advice about how to network and how to connect with most employers.
The best part of today's workshop was firstly the planning activity. I think it was quite useful to get a detailed plan, things that we probably didn't even think about. Secondly, definitely the branding activity because I feel like that obviously would help us with interviews in the workplace, but also it helped us learn a lot about ourselves.